Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these preserved flowers. I love sending flowers to people in my life, those special people, to let them know I'm thinking about them, or just a great gift to my girlfriend. And these, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly need to know about these. I got both of these from Amazon, and I absolutely love both of them. You can't go wrong with either one of these. It just really depends on what you're going to do. I'm going to tell you exactly what would be the best occasion. So these right here are going to be from ADDWel. These are roses. They're 12 roses, so a dozen roses. And these right here are by Polylove. This is a flower boutique. So let's take them one each at a time. Let's start with the ADDWel, or right here, the ADDWel. So these are ADDWel flowers. These are preserved roses. So these are real roses. They went through a preservation process. And they're going to last 3 to 5 years. We've had these for 6 months now, and they look the same as the day we got them. These also light up a little bit right over here. So if you have this, you could have these light up. You have one setting there, a second setting that's a little less, and then a setting that is just the lights by itself, and you could turn it off. And you could just tuck these in however you like. These do smell like roses too, so that is something to note, which really gives you the full effect. Sometimes when you get flowers that are fake, you don't smell anything, so it kind of like takes away from it. But this, you do get that rose smell, and it's not too overpowering. This is going to be great for Valentine's Day, birthdays, Christmas, all those special occasions. Or hey, just because this is kind of what this entails for that. This is 6 by 3 by 11 by 16, so nice size. These can sit by themselves just on a table, so they can make a great centerpiece as well. If you're looking to do that, they could sit on a shelf or a kitchen table, whatever you want to do. It will come in this box right over here. This box is a solid box, very nice, very giftable. It has handles as well, which I particularly like. So you could easily just take these along with someone. This is how it's going to come. I kept this on the back to show you. So it's going to say best wishes, and the flowers will be zip tied inside. It's not too tight. It doesn't do anything. It's just so the flowers don't knock around. So I really do like that. Let's go to this next set right over here. So this is the Polylove flowers. This is a flower boutique right over here. Your main flowers here are roses, and then they kind of have some hydrangeas and some other flowers in here. We got a nice little bear right over here as well. This is exactly how it came. Came with the bow, nicely wrapped, just like that. This is what the back looks like right over here. Just overall looks really, really nice. And if you don't kind of like what this looks like, they have other flower options in different colors as well. This is 9 by 5 by 14. Same with the ADDWel over here. If you wanted 2 dozen roses, they also have that option, and they have some other options. With this one right here, really like the different colors. This feels a little bit more lighter. You know, you usually don't send everyone in your life roses, so this is a great for that. It's going to come in this box right over here. These could also stand up by themselves, so you could use that as a centerpiece if you wanted to. It's going to come in this box right over here. It says Forever Love, enhancing the beauty of your life. Same deal. It gets zip tied, and they come. This one will have a little piece of plastic over it. Really gives that feel like, hey, I just bought these flowers. If you ever went to the grocery store and got a pack of flowers, that's kind of the piece of plastic. It was just laying on top of it, so nothing crazy. So for both of these, you could easily just send these as is to someone that you wanted to, and you don't have to worry about that. So what are some of the pros, the cons, and differences? So for the ADDWel ones right over here, these actually smell like flowers. These Polylove ones do not smell like flowers, so just note that. The ADDWel ones are a little bigger. I would say if you look them close and close, they both look, I would say the ADDWel ones maybe look a little bit more like roses. Obviously they're different colors, but that's just something to note. I would say too, this is going to be, I feel like, so let's do this. So I think for an occasion, I think Valentine's Day, big anniversary, any like huge milestones that you would normally send roses for, I think this would be probably the best fit for you, just because it's different. Like, it's like, whoa, like I got roses. I think that's the feeling that they gave. This one right over here, I think is great. You can still get that same message across, but I feel like this one could be like for like get better soon. Hey, I'm thinking of you. Like nice job getting a promotion. A little less in your face romance, I guess I would say. So more kind of like you could send these to your mom, stuff like that. So I think those are kind of like the two major differences too. Both of these are really, really nice. They look awesome. They do feel like real roses. I do like the fact that there's no hassle surrounding these. We don't have to water these. We don't have to take them outside. We don't have to worry about them smelling in the house when they're about to be finished. So you get all the best parts of getting flowers without any of the hassle. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Again, if you're looking to kind of go over the top, 100 big time romance, I'd say the ADDWel ones are for you. These flowers are going to be great for you. Maybe like, hey, just thinking about you. I hope you get well soon, or whatever you want to do. Keeping in touch. Hope you found this video helpful and you get the best flowers for that special someone in your life. And if you found it helpful, give this video the thumbs up.